I'm joining her at a certified clinic in Kent to find out why she hopes changing the way she looks down below will help her self-confidence when it comes to having sex. But before her treatment, aesthetic physician Dr. Shirin wants to show me that we come in all shapes and sizes.
What I like to tell people is how everyone's faces are different but considered normal. Vulvas are also different but normal.
I just thought mine was normal, but looking by there, I mean, there's a massive variety. They're all completely different.
I think that is something that's really important to stress to people, because I get a lot of people coming in saying they're abnormal. But looking at that, every single one of those vulvas is in fact normal.
Most people that you see, whenever you do get to see a foof, they're all kind of tucked in and all look similar, don't they?
And I think that's socially what people aim for in this culture. But what I try and stress to my patients is actually it doesn't really matter what it looks like as long as you're comfortable with it and it functions for you.
Today, Kat's chosen a medically CE-approved, non-surgical treatment using radio-frequency waves to help stimulate the body's natural collagen production, supposedly resulting in a more toned and tightened vulva.
So, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Yeah?
Yep.
After 2 kids and a divorce, Kat's self-confidence in the bedroom hit rock bottom, and she spent 4 years avoiding any kind of intimacy.
I became so insecure about how I looked down there and how it feels that I kind of avoided being in any situation where sex would be inevitable.
Yeah, so quite almost celibate then.
Oh, pretty much, yeah.
So how did it affect your confidence before in the past with ex-boyfriends?
Well, there's been a few comments in the past, and then the pressure of social media, the images that you see widely on the internet, in films, has affected my own confidence of how I think I should be down there.
So obviously after today now, your sex life might improve, not in positions and stuff, just in terms of your mental health having sex, your confidence having sex?
I think so, yeah, especially confidence. I won't necessarily have to have the lights out.
Kat will need a couple more sessions to get the full effect, but she's agreed to share her results with me.
Massive difference.
What
Fair
difference?
play, yeah. It's not in mine and I'm happy with it.
No, I'm really pleased. Massive difference, thank you.
I'm so glad Kat feels she's got her self-confidence back. But it has shown me the pressure we all put on ourselves to look a certain way, when actually we're all different.